Good morning, it's Saturday, Vlogmas day 4, and I thought I would take you along on my day. So it's about 6:30 a.m. and I'm the first one awake in the house, so I'm just having my coffee and I'm gonna sit on the couch and relax. I'm just gonna do my nails before everyone wakes up. So now that my nails are done, I'm just gonna sit on the couch and watch a little Hallmark Christmas movie before everyone starts waking up for the day. So I am home. It's about 2:30. I went grocery shopping and I didn't film anything because I had 3 kiddos with me and it was really busy and really stressful. So I'm gonna make the kids a late lunch since we just got home from grocery shopping, and I grabbed this cute holiday tree pizza from Aldi's. It's adorable. So it has red bell peppers, green bell peppers, mozzarella cheese, and a pesto sauce under the cheese. And it looks really good, and you just cook it on 400 for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it comes out, and let me tell you, it was delicious. And so now I'm just folding some clothes before it's time to make dinner a little bit later on. So we are having nachos tonight for dinner. So I've got the ground beef going on the stove, and I'm just gonna brown it and add some taco seasoning to it. And I use the old El Paso taco seasoning. And we're also going to put jalapenos in this, but I think I'm going to leave them on the side because some of the kids don't like the hot jalapenos. And so the ground beef is ready to go. And I'm just going to use a casserole dish and just layer the tortilla chips and ground beef. And then we will pop it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And it'll be ready to top with the fresh ingredients I put on it. Tomatoes, queso fresco cheese, and also, onions and cilantro. This is what the nachos look like when they're all put together. It looks so colorful. I absolutely loved it. It was really good. So after dinner, we had these snowman popsicles, and I got them at Aldi's. I thought we would end our day by putting together this gingerbread kit that I bought from Walmart, and my 2 youngest helped put it together. It was very messy, but it was a great family activity. The kids did a really good job decorating their gingerbread house, and it was just a fun way to end the night. So I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting the little bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a video. And also, if you could like and comment as well, that really helps out my channel. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.